Hello, welcome to Kodecrew. My name is Gigi. I'm the project manager at Kodecrew. So today I will be helping you setting up roles and getting you started with your Kodecrew admin dashboard. So first of all, just power up your computer. Keep in mind that you do need to have admin rights to be able to make any changes, especially like those in those settings. So just double check with your organization and who's in charge to make sure that you have the right permission to make those changes. So let's get started. So first you're going to go on your dashboard and you're going to go on the section for roles, as you can see right here. Once you press on the role, you'll see different levels. So each levels define just where does the role falls within the criteria and your organization. It's a little bit kind of like as you set up an org chart. The one thing with that is you can decide what the level means. So that's up to your company. Discuss as a team and see where each roles would fit based on the levels you have. We have 5 levels, as you can see. Based on each level, you can add some roles. So that's where you'll create the roles. So if you want to add a role in level 1, you'll click on the plus sign. You'll create a role, so it can be something as product specialist, press save, and that will create the role. Once that's created, you'll be able to drag and drop a role in whichever level you like to have it. So if I've created here product specialist, so you can put it right here and you just have to wait a little bit for it to load. And once that's unloaded, the data is saved. So you can move around to see and kind of set up what you want. And then if you like to delete a role, so for example, we no longer need the product specialist, you click here and you press archive and then just double check. Once it's archived, the role will be removed from your view. The key part is making sure that you're only adding relevant roles and making sure that the roles are in the right category. But again, you decide what you think makes the most sense and that's all. So once you see that the role is actually grayed out, this means that the role is archived, so it's no longer active. And that's really all for adding a role. So we like to keep it simple. You can create as many roles as you want and so on. Just make sure that you clean those up to make it easier to keep things organized. The number right here actually shows also the amount of people who are part of this role. Next thing I want to tackle is the evaluation tree. So once you've created some new roles, you're able to see how they're all connected. So it's a bit crazy, it looks like that, but it's actually a really great way to see how people are connected and who is evaluating who. And this gives you a really nice overview. So this evaluation tree shows really your whole organization and how people are connected and which team they're part on. This evaluation tree, you'll be able to see it anytime you want. It's right at the top of your corner right here. So if you'd like to have a quick display, this will always display regardless of the page that you're on. So you click on evaluation tree and there you can also take a look and see who is evaluating who and how people are connected for communication. So once you click on a criteria, it will highlight it and you can display the nice display kind of like this way. And you can see the same for quality, effort, and ownership. So this is only currently for individual criteria, but we are looking to set that up eventually for the team ones. So that's really all for setting up the roles. You kind of got a nice overview for organization. You see how to create the role, how to delete them, and a quick look on how people are connected and how people are getting evaluated through the evaluation tree. Thank you so much for your time and getting to know a bit more the Kodecrew application. If you have any questions, feel free to check out our FAQ page. Follow us on our social on LinkedIn and Instagram to stay up to date with any news. This video will also be posted on our FAQ page and you can also check it out on our YouTube page. Thank you and have a great day. Welcome to Kodecrew.